Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a child support agreement with MyFamilyWizard. To get started with deploying a child support agreement using MyFamilyWizard, first, log into your MyFamilyWizard account. If you don't have an account yet, create one by visiting the MyFamilyWizard website and following the Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can access various features. Locate the Documents section on your dashboard. Click on the Upload Document button to add your child support agreement. Select the file you wish to upload from your device. Make sure the document is clearly labeled with a title that reflects its purpose, such as Child Support Agreement. Once the upload is complete, ensure the document appears in your MyFamilyWizard account. To share the agreement with the other parent, go to the Messages section. Compose a new message and address it to the other parent. In the message body, inform them that you have uploaded the child support agreement for review. Attach the document by selecting it from the Documents section. Click on Send to deliver your message along with the attached agreement. Wait for the other parent to review the document. Encourage them to provide their feedback or questions directly in the message thread. Once both parties agree on the terms, ensure that both of you digitally sign the agreement. To do this, go back to the Documents section and select the agreement. Follow the prompts to apply your digital signature. After both signatures are collected, the document will be officially finalized. You can then download a copy of the signed agreement for your records. Make sure to periodically check the agreement for updates or necessary adjustments in the future. Using MyFamilyWizard streamlines communication and documentation regarding your child support agreement effectively. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth deployment process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.